Good morning everyone, it's Anthony from Showcase, and just going to talk to you today about a fundamental concept in web design that is important to you non-web designers to check your websites, make sure you kind of adhere to the same kind of principle, because it will help increase the engagement and contacts through your website. Okay, so here we have a dummy mock-up of a website. You can see we've got a logo, a main navigation, a banner, and all the text with a call to action. And this is quite a standard layout for a website, and the reason it is like this is because, sorry about the wobbly camera folks, just trying to find my pen. The reason it's like this is because scientifically in the Western world we tend to start at here, the same as we do in a book, top left, and then the first thing we do, same as a book, is we'll read across the page. Okay, so what you want in this crucial area is who on earth you are and how do I get in touch with you. So a contact number, social media, icons, and also that's part of your main navigation bar will have generally a contact us menu option. We tend to highlight ours to make it stand out and make it a bit of a call to action. Okay, then what people will do is they will skim down the left here and they'll miss your banner. They'll kind of get a feel for what your banner is telling them or showing them, but they'll skip it because there's not a great deal of text on there. Generally, it's an assumption that we make subconsciously. And then they'll look for the first main header on your page. Okay, and this is where you need to sell them why on earth they are on your website. So this is often the H1 text, which is your main text on the page that Google indexes to work out what your page is about, and it's also the area that your customers or your visitors need to work out what the page is about. Then what will happen is people will tend to keep scrolling down the page, just looking down the left, looking for headings to work out, is there a section of this page that I'm actually interested in? If there is, then they will read that paragraph of text. Okay, so it's really important to break down your website into what we call, you probably can't see it too well, the F pattern. Okay, fundamental. F pattern is fundamental. So have a quick look at your websites, double check that you're, like I say, you have your logo top left, contact details top right, some sort of call to action or ability for someone to contact you quite easily in the main navigation. Your first header text on the page should be really relevant, selling why people should be on your page, and it should tell the audience whether or not the page is relevant to them. And then break down your text into sections with a heading telling them what that section is about, and then obviously always end your pages, or have at least somewhere on your page a call to action to make them do something. So very simple little check you can do. If there's any confusion with what I've just explained, then please reach out. Happy to answer questions. Just leave a comment below or drop me an email at anthony@showcasewebdevelopment.co.uk. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.